Hello everybody and welcome back to Let's Play Nightmare. It's been a while since I've played. So, hold on, I think is my headset messed up? No, it's good apparently, but I can barely hear out of it. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this is like 26, wasn't it? 24? 26? It was 26. I don't remember what this had to do with it though. Yeah, I don't know what that is. So I shall go searching. So, wait, isn't this... Are all these locked? So yeah, I finally got some free time. My microphone level keeps bouncing all over the place. So I don't know if you can hear me very well or not. Anyway, if not, I'm just talking to myself, but hey, I do that anyway. What was I saying? Have I been in here? I think I've been in here. Don't I have a map? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Anyway. It was my fault. Mistakes happen, but what's... I think I already read that. What was I trying to say? There you are. I went and forgot what I was talking. Yeah, well, where did you come from? You were not there earlier. There you go. Is she gone? Can I go through now? Oh yeah, the day that I was gonna start recording again was the day that my brother decided to come up and bring my nephew and stuff, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna spend time with them. Y'all understand. Or y'all hate me, I don't know. I mean, I lost one subscriber. I have 8 right now. I had 9. Even though like nobody watches these except a few people maybe. But maybe, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Maybe, hold on, let me get out the old calculator. Alright. Calculator. No, I don't want calculators. I want there you go. Alright, so what did I say, 18 or 19? We'll do both. 19 times 26. 494. 18 times 26. 468. Alright, so 494 or 468. Let's try those. 490, or let's do 68 first. Nothing. Wrong password? Or passcode? Sorry, I said that wrong. Sorry. What was it? 94? Nope. Apparently I'm wrong. Is it 1, 1, 1, 1? Where is this gonna be? I'm pretty sure this is gonna make me a little bit angry if I'm not gonna be able to find it like the other puzzle. I don't know. So basically all this is you're gonna hear me talk and look for something. And maybe scream a little bit. I don't remember that. The radio seems to be broadcasting some sort of message in Morse code. No! I don't want to do this. Alright. So 5, 2. 6. 7? 5, 2, 6, 7? Is that correct? It's the wrong door. 5, 2, 6, 7. 5, 2, 6, 7. Oh, missed TV. 5, 2, 6, 7. 5, 2, 6, 7. Oh, whoa! I was proud of myself for a minute, but now I'm just terrified of what I have done. Please, help me. God, my head. My head! Please. God. My head feels like it's going to explode. The pain. Please, make it stop. God, the pain! Yeah, I'm done yelling. Make it stop, make it stop. Please help me. I didn't get to finish that. What are you doing back there, lady? I just realized that when I looked at the TV, it showed me, like, when it first started up, it showed me just sitting there, and then at the end, it showed her sitting behind me. What was that? Wait, what was all that? Sorry. Yeah, I try not to swear on this channel in case you haven't noticed, because... Not yet, anyway. I'll get there. Maybe not. There's a key lying here on the ground. This wasn't here before. It's shiny, and it's sitting there, I think. What is... That's my map. I don't want my map. I didn't want to press Z and go out the door. I wanted to press X and open my inventory. Office key. A fanciful gold key for the hotel's main office. It was dropped on the floor of room 213. So, the hotel's main office. Where is said office? Office. I'm guessing it's downstairs. Or... Yeah, this is the second floor, so it must be downstairs. Nope. You can leave me alone. That'd be great. So since I haven't recorded in like 4 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, I don't know. Since I haven't... Okay, I think we're good. Since I haven't recorded in that long, I don't know if my microphone volume changed, because... What's this? Hi, lady. Anyway, I don't know if my microphone volume level changed, because, if I started up certain games, like Portal 2, that would change my microphone volume level to 100. So you'd hear basically me pressing keys, which is kind of annoying. Or it got changed to really low, which I haven't had the game do that yet. Or I changed it really low because people were complaining about it was too high. But this game's loud, so I don't know. Oh, this is the right floor. Okay, I was like, wait. Office. Yeah, there's the office. Okay. See, my brain is working now. You can go away. That Morse code I did not expect to get through. I expected to have to look up the guide for it, which I haven't even found a guide for it, so... I tried. The door's now unlocked. Because I couldn't figure out, like, at the beginning, I couldn't figure out all that... Why is that blood painted on the wall to draw an arrow? And why isn't that clock's... What do you call them? Hands? Like, minute hand and second hand? Pretty sure that's correct. Why aren't they moving? I can hear it ticking, but they're not moving. There's a recent newspaper here. Suicidal... Oh, I thought I heard the steps, the dun 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 dun. Suicidal attemptee's life uncertain. Late last night, a staff member of the Grand Hotel found one of their guests' half-dead body after the man had attempted to commit suicide. The man was quickly rushed to the hospital for immediate help, but the doctors aren't looking too hopeful for his recovery. It's too early to tell whether he'll be able to pull through or not. He had lost a lot of blood before he had been found, and he seems to have lost all will to live. Currently, no one has been able to shed any light on the man's true identity or his reason for attempting to commit suicide. We can only pray for him to pull through. Is that blood? Oh, see? Is that blood on the wall? It looks like an arrow pointing towards the newspaper. A large, hefty safe. There's a 4-digit number lock on the face of it. Enter the number? Why, yes. I have no idea what it is. Nothing. Guess it wasn't the right number. Fine. Drawer is filled with various files of paperwork. I can't think of anything productive out of looking through these. Can't think of... Did I read that wrong? I'm pretty sure I read that wrong. Can I get that book? I see that book up there. Do I have to push the chair maybe? Or can I take the chair? Can I... Wait, does this have anything to do with it? What is this? I don't know what you want from me. A baby, an elderly, or not an elderly, an adult, and then an elderly. A wolf, a kangaroo, a snake, a spider. What does this have to do with anything? I haven't seen anything... Going back in there. I haven't seen anything like that. 4, 2, 3. Does that mean I can just try and guess the rest? Can I just put 4, 2, 3, 1? Nope. Alright, 4, 2, 3, 2. 4, 2, 3, 2. Nope. 4, 2, 3, 3. I was put 4. Watch, that would have been the right one, and I would have forgot that I didn't do that one. 4, 2, 3, 4. I put 3 again. 4, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Nope. Is there anything important here now? Nope, nothing. Can I have that? Can I have what's up here? Can I please have that? I would enjoy having that. I would enjoy possessing that with my, I don't know. I don't even know what I was, there you go. I don't know what I was going for. So I am stuck. Unless this has something to do with it. There's life's uncertain. No. 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 Can I just get on the couch, or is there something under the couch? I've come so far. Actually, not really. I wonder how far this playthrough is done. I had no idea what I just said. What did this have to do with... Wait. Life uncertain. How did he commit suicide? Or how did he attempt to commit suicide? Is this the guy that was laying in the bathtub? Maybe I have to go back in there? It's on the other floor though, so... Ding! If not, then this is... Well, either way, I'll probably end it there, so... Is this correct? Or am I just gonna ask, where'd the body go? Yeah, of course I am. Nope, nothing there. Is there something here? No, something here? No. I already read all this, so I'm not pretty sure I read all this, so I'm not gonna read this again. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I am lost again. Alright. It's not... Wait. Alright, that does open my inventory. Alright, so... I almost forgot to save it last time, so I was making sure that I saved it. Like, I almost exited out, and then it's like, nope. Anyway, how do I do my intro? Oh, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to go watch one of my other videos. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next part. Bye.